Sake To Me Margarita. Okay, this is Callie. All right, in the house, Callie mixers. All right, so she starts off with a tequila. Okay, pour that in. Beautiful. All right. Delicious. Then we come behind her with an orange sake liqueur. She really good with a lot of the Asian influenced drinks, a lot of the sake stuff. She reminds me of, like every mixologist has their style. Some fresh squeezed lime juice or their background. It really has a lot to do with where you bartended early on. So some tamarind chili, that's spicy, okay? I didn't realize that. Okay, shake, 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 shake. Okay, now let's sexify our glass. Lime slice on the rim. Stick it in salt so we get a nice, simple, salted rim. It ain't all around, all down the sides and stuff. Pour in our drink mix, okay? And then she comes behind with a garnish, okay? And I really like the garnish on them. And look at that, awesome. And there you have it. What's it called?
Sake To Me Margarita.
So that's like Sake To Me Margarita.
Yes,
okay,
sake.
all right. You're really good with the Asian stuff as well.
Asian sake.
Okay, well, let me drink the drink. Nice. What kind of syrup is this? Ooh.
That's a tamarind Thai chili.
This kind of spicy, right? This from this. Okay, all right. Oh, what I really like. Oh, that's decent.
Sake.
What I like is the garnish, though.
Orange peel. Yeah, orange peel, orange zest. It's for the orange sake that's in there.
I ain't talking about what it does. I talk about how it looks. Like that's kind of like cool because you get this like rose-like kind of feeling from it. That's nice. That's nice the way she did that. She always was creative with that kind of stuff, though. Her garnishes are legit, okay? When you see her drink, you don't want to drink it. You just want to look at it. No, you want to drink it. Anyway, go follow her on IG at Callie Mixers, okay? You can say something?
Oh, thank you.
That's it? You so damn quiet.
Yes.
Stay tipsy, my friend. Stay tipsy.